say about touching my ciggy? What did I say, eh? What did I say? Hey? No. What did I tell you, boy? What did I say? Touch people's shit. I told you heaps of times, boy, not to touch my smokes. Keep touching them all the time. Every fucking time. Every time, eh, boy? Don't get lippy with me. I don't mind that shit. Boy, yeah, boy. Fuck, you wanna go, Catz? Wanna go? And what? Wanna go, G? Hey. Fuck, stay outside. Fuck you. Fuck. Fucking ugly cunt. Get your hand off our smack. Fuck, get your rotten ass claws off me. Now tell my mum. You're a pussy ass shit. I'll smack you up, boy. I'll smack you up, boy. Go on then. Hey. Again. Go on then. Go on. Fuck. What boy? What shit. What boy? Hey. What? Stop now. Hey. Stop now. Yeah, fuck boy. Hey, backing down, eh? Fag. Think you're hard, see? Not even our can, see? Yeah, bro. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, bro, when you get your next dog money, you better be buying me some ciggies. I don't have fucking sort of money to throw around. Best be buying me fucking smokes. I don't have that sort of money to throw around. I don't have that sort of money. Hey? I don't have that sort of money to throw around. No. I don't give a fuck. Bro, I can't get that sort of money. I can't get that sort of money. Where you get your money from? No. I can't get that sort of money there, G. No. Fuck. No. I don't even smoke. What makes you think buying ciggies? And you're shotting Cody's. Not Here you are. Next time. Nah. Shotting Cody's, boy. Nah. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Nah. No, you are. Hongy boy, hurry up. I forgive you. Hurry. Make up. Hongy boy, hurry up. Hongy boy, hurry up. Nah. You're a smart ass, eh? Not even out, cunt. Yeah, you are. Well, shake hands then, boy. Shake hands if you don't want to fucking hongy. Come on. Hurry up. Come on. Shake hands, boy. Nah. Shake hands. How do you do? Piss off her. Yeah, your mum's got a scabby ass. Scabby ass. Scabby ass. Shake hands, dick. Like that, go on, hurry up. Shake. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh, you bloody wait. I say. What did I say? I'm not. Shame, boy. Thought you were late. No, I'm telling you I'm on you. I'm not.